In the back of Stout Brothers Beer Market, we got Brothers Wilmont Kitchen. And Chef Wilmont is a personal friend of mine, serving tapas and small plates in his little section, which is dope. Meatballs and polenta. Now y'all know how I feel about meatballs and polenta. And you can't go wrong with meatballs and polenta. And this meatballs and polenta definitely delivered on all flavor aspects. Pulled pork and collard greens. And you can't go wrong with pulled pork and collard greens. And even the barbecue sauce with scratch made, and it was so delightful, so fresh, so juicy, so tangy. And I've had collard greens all kind of ways, and these collard greens definitely worth it. Shrimp queso dip, by far my favorite thing of today's lunch adventures. Creamy, seafoody, seasoned. Scallions gave it a nice, fresh herb taste to it. You can't go wrong. Like anything with shrimp and cheese and dip, crostinis, it's like a perfect match made in heaven. Finish it off with some homemade beef stew. And this beef stew was deep in flavor. It was rich. Potatoes were soft and seasoned. And you can best believe this beef stew definitely hit the spot. And when you hit that lean back, you know it's done. You know it's a good meal. Brothers Wilmont, 8.2 out of 10. And when you hit that lean back, you know it's done. You know it's a good meal. Brothers Wilmont, 8.2 out of 10.